Okay, Dr. Mindy here, and what I want to do today is show you what a mineral test looks like. So if you've been following my blogs for the past couple weeks, if you came to our teen anxiety talk, there is a serious mineral deficiency going on in the world right now, and when you're deficient in minerals, your brain doesn't always work right. So I have invited she's not a teenager anymore, my adult daughter, who's just turned 18, to be my sample tester of what a mineral deficiency test looks like. And it's unlike any other test. There is actually a reaction from the patient many times as we test it. So it's a fun test we love to do so that we can rule in a mineral deficiency or rule out. So, ready? Go ahead. So she's going to start with...
Number one, we'll show you what the sheet looks like. So I will just take a taste. We put 10 droppers of each, so number one's potassium, of each mineral into a little cup, and I'll coat my tongue with that, and then let my mom know how I scale the taste. So if it's terrible, that'd be a 7. If it's pleasant, sweet, that'd be a 1. So potassium. And we're actually looking for the stronger the taste, the less deficient you are. So go for it. Okay.
What's it taste like?
Kind of salty, bitter. It's not good.
Okay, so what would you give it?
I don't like it.
Okay.
So 6.
Okay. Next is zinc. So while she's tasting that, zinc is the part of, or the mineral that you need to create serotonin and dopamine. So if you're low in zinc, then it can lead to depression. Go ahead, see where your zinc's from, how your zinc's doing.
Like a 4, or maybe a 5.
Okay, that's fine. First instinct, go with first instinct. So those of you that bought these home kits, we're sending them out soon. So if you want a kit, just put mineral deficiency test in there, and we'll send you pricing. And what I love about this is a really inexpensive test, and you can do it quickly. You can take a supplement, 2 weeks later do it. So really, you can do it at home. It's really quite lovely that way.
It's not fun.
Yeah, but it really gives you immediate feedback. So we're looking for, it's a taste bad, like I said, we're looking for the higher numbers. Okay, magnesium. So I did a ton on magnesium. Magnesium is the calming mineral. It calms your brain down. So those of you that have anxiety, magnesium is really good for anxiety. Oh, nice. She doesn't have a magnesium deficiency.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
So the worse that she scrunches up her face, the happier I am, because then I know she's not deficient in it. Okay, copper. So copper and zinc go hand in hand, and you actually want a pretty good ratio of copper to zinc. So go ahead and taste copper. We haven't found a lot of copper deficiencies, but copper really helps with neurons connecting. So you have neurons in your brain that transmit information, and if you're deficient in copper, then that transmission of that information will be lower. Go ahead.
Should I wash my mouth out?
No, keep going. Oh.
Say it's like a 4.
Okay. Okay, chromium. The next one is chromium. And go ahead, you can grab chromium. Chromium is really creates energy. It can help with metabolism. Yeah.
We got mixed up. That should be magnesium, right?
Oh.
Or manganese.
Here, let's put it. We'll do chromium.
So you want more chromium?
We'll do a new chromium. So when we first did this test, here we go. Yeah, in my office, we found a lot, like amongst my staff, we found a lot of chromium deficiencies. So go ahead. Let's see where you land. So far, I'm going to say that I'm pleasantly happy that these are tasting horrible for her. That means she's not mineral deficient. Okay, next one, manganese.
Manganese.
Let's see where you are with manganese. Manganese and molybdenum. I
It's
never
like
know.
a no taste.
Yeah, no taste? Oh,
For manganese.
ooh.
What does that mean?
No taste is moderate. That means that we found a lot of people deficient in manganese. Okay, next one. Ready? So molybdenum. I don't know how to pronounce this one. Molybdenum.
Molybdenum.
Anyways, this one is inflammatory. It's also mitochondrial repair.
It's like 3.
So it's a 3. You don't want 3s. Okay. The next 2 are really important for thyroid. So this is selenium. People who are deficient in selenium and iodine can have thyroid issues. So let's see what you got with selenium. Nothing.
Really? Yeah, it's pretty much.
Okay, see, this is what I love about this test. Now we know what we need to supplement with and get some selenium-rich foods in. Okay, last one, iodine.
It's like a 4.
4. Okay. So this is what I love about it. It's so simple, it's inexpensive, and it gives you immediate feedback. So if you want our mineral test, just put mineral test in the bottom. We're going to be launching it on my website here in the next week. You can find it on there. Again, inexpensive. We'll send it out to you. You can do it as easily as we just did here with Bodhi. So hope that helps. And if you want, I just sent something out this week about magnesium and zinc and how it affects gut bacteria, or how the gut bacteria affects your absorption of those two. I'm going to be doing a Facebook Live on it on Friday, because you could supplement the heck out of these minerals, but if your gut bacteria is off, you'll never absorb them. So stay tuned to Friday if you want to get on my email list and get my blog posts where I explain all this stuff. Just click the link below and you can sign up for my weekly tips. Okay, have a great one.